Hello friends, the title of the video is Low Trust Trap. Today's Indian judicial system is a legacy of British government. After independence, we have continued with the same system without making required changes. So, at present Indian judicial system is overloaded with the legal cases and became very slow in delivering the justice. Many times, the verdict of the court's cases takes times more than decade. It is said that the justice delayed is justice denied. This is known to all Indians. Still, the Indian people resorted to judicial system to get the justice. Why doesn't the Indian amicably resolve their conflict or disputes among themselves instead of resorting to the court? Here, I will try to explain the above question. It is argued that the individuals in low trust countries want more government intervention even though the government is corrupt. It also point out here is what we might call the trust trap. Low trust societies do not invest enough in citizen to citizen mechanism to resolve the issues or disputes. The citizen gives more trust in the state. But it is observed that the more we rely on the state, the society becomes more and more weak. There is an inverse relationship between strong state and weak society. The society becomes weak when it lacks the social capital. The developing countries' rulers do not like the strong societies. So, they do not develop the mechanism to create or develop the social capital in society. We, the Indians, are ready to put ourselves at the mercy of state because we dare not to put ourselves at each other's mercy or create trust among each other. To conclude, if we make a conscious efforts to improve the trust in the society, it will reduce the burden on our judiciary. Thank you for watching my video.